Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. Today we're going to assemble an RTA, ready to assemble cabinet. These cabinets come in different configurations. Some use dowels, some use cams. I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you that I've learned throughout the years. One of the first things you want to know is when you open the box, not to cut too deep so you don't scratch your panels. Before you even get started, you want to identify the parts, okay? These cabinets come with hardware bags. This is a bag full of the legs, all right? Next, these are the cross supports. There's 4 of them. This is your bottom. This piece is the back. This is the left side and the right side, and how you tell this dado groove slot in it. Now to start, I like to lay both panels flat with the holes pointing up and the back edges facing each other. Squeeze a small amount of wood glue into the dowel holes on both sides. Be sure not to put the glue in the through holes. Now we're going to attach the bottom. Align the 1/4-inch groove on the bottom with the groove on the left side. Insert the 6 dowels into the 6 holes on the left side. Using a rubber mallet, gently tap on the edge of the bottom, driving the dowels into the holes. Wipe away any excess glue with a damp cloth. Now come the cross members. There's really no wrong way to install them. Install the 2 support rails into the 4 dowel holes along the top edge of the left side, just behind the 1/4-inch groove. Now install the 2 rails into the dowel holes along the back edge of the left side. Gently tap all the rails with a rubber mallet. The back panel fits into the groove on the bottom panel. Slide the panel all the way down till it fits in the groove on the left side. Attaching the right side, align the dowels with the dowel holes in the bottom panel and support rails, while allowing the back panel to fit into the groove of the right side. Work quickly so glue doesn't drip all over. Gently tap the right side with a rubber mallet. Wipe away any excess glue with a damp cloth. Now secure the cabinet together with the provided leg screws into each of the 7 holes on both sides. I'm on the home stretch of this project. All I have left is the adjustable shelf and the legs. Once you have the legs installed, you want to be careful not to slide the cabinet. These legs snap off very easily. Flip the cabinet over so the bottom is facing up. Insert the 4 legs in the pre-drilled holes on the bottom panel. Secure the legs with the screws provided. Now it's time for the adjustable shelf. Insert 4 shelf pins into the pre-drilled hole to the desired height and just slide the shelf into place. Each one of these cabinets has a different configuration. Some have drawers, some have doors. This one has a door and a drawer. We're going to start with assembling the drawer. First step to assembling the drawer, attach 2 brackets to the drawer back using the 6 screws provided. Now attach 2 brackets to the drawer front with the 4 screws provided. Assemble the 2 sides to the back by sliding them into the bracket. Insert the drawer bottom into the groove on the drawer slides. Install the drawer front by inserting the bracket into the drawer sides until it clicks. Secure the drawer to the bottom and the back using the screws. Attach the drawer glides to the left and right side using 2 screws per glide. Place the drawer on the glides and push it in until it clicks. If your cabinet happens to have a door, lay the door flat with the 2 hinge holes facing up. Insert the hinges into the holes and push the hinge cover down to secure the hinge to the door. Now attach 2 hinge plates to the side of the pre-drilled holes. Align the hinge arms with the hinge plates and push forward till the back arm clicks. Peel and stick 2 rubber bumpers to the inside of the door. For more great getaway videos, visit us at familyhandyman.com.